Well, the rain is a sight for sore eyes this morning. We've had thunderstorms. We've had everyone in the area getting at least some rain from the system. The heavy rain didn't last too long, but we still have some light rain. We need the lighter pace of the rain to kind of slowly soak into the ground because the heavy rain just kind of ran off really quickly here with that very dry, hard ground that we have. You can see the rain still light to moderate across Allen County. Starting to see some less rain across Van Wert. But we look here to the northwest. There are still some scattered thunderstorms near Fort Wayne, near Angola, Indiana. We had a little boundary through here, which is continuing to kind of feed into the showers that we're seeing right now. And that threat will be with us this morning. You can see the warm front basically right over us, and that's basically the dividing line between the extremely humid, moist air mass to the drier air mass that we've had the past couple of days, which is now off to the east of us. So this round moving through. I think as we go through the morning, we'll see this activity slowly begin to see a tapering trend, and we'll actually have probably a break for a good part of the afternoon hours before we see more storms try to fire up this evening across portions of the area. So let's take a look at rainfall so far, just estimated by the radar. It is estimated about 6/10 so far across parts of Allen County. So again, not enough to totally fix the deficit yet, but we'll take every drop we can get. And this is, again, just the start of a pretty active setup here as we go throughout the next few days. Looking at temperatures, they are rain cooled. We had temperatures near 80 earlier before the rain hit, but now upper 60s to near 70 degrees. As we look at temperatures around the area, we see that really hot, oppressive air. You know it's warm, and it's in the 80s at 6 in the morning, and we have 80s, 83 in St. Louis, 80 in Des Moines. And look at the dew point temperatures. They are rising into the 60s, and then off to the west, we have dew points in the 70s. And that really oppressive humidity is going to move in for us today with that heat advisory going into effect at 1 p.m. through 10 o'clock, as we'll have potential for heat index temperatures going over 100. So again, we have this ring of fire pattern with these showers and storms going around the edge of that high pressure ridge, and basically on the dividing line between cooler air to the north and that really hot weather moving in. And we have that chance of severe weather as well. This slight risk, which is a level 2 out of 5, mainly for the risk of some strong winds, and that'll be mainly for the evening and tonight. So let's take a look at our forecast radar. Doing a good job showing the rain this morning. I think it may be a little quick in breaking this all apart because I think even at 11 a.m. we could still have a few showers around, but we'll see perhaps some sunshine for the afternoon, and again, very, very uncomfortable conditions. And then we'll have the chance of some more pop-up showers later on towards 4 p.m., mainly down to the southwest, and then gradually building and increasing through the evening. And this is our threat of some isolated severe weather. So if you have evening plans, just make sure you have a way to get warnings. And we'll have some off and on rain showers overnight. There'll be a boundary basically over the area. And the question mark is exactly where will this front be, because the models are not in full agreement here. So again, if the boundary does end up setting up over the area, we could see some localized heavy rainfall overnight, and then that starts to move out tomorrow morning, and then we'll actually have another chance of some more scattered storms later on tomorrow. So we've got several opportunities here to pick up that rain that we need. Models showing a possibility of over an inch, and possibly some localized spots, especially south of here, getting more than 3 inches as we go throughout the next few days. So your 7-day forecast. Scattered showers and thunderstorms continue for the next several days, more isolated by Friday, and I think the weekend will be dry and we'll start to see a drop in that humidity.
It is so welcome to hear that on the road.
It certainly is good to see.
All right, thank you, Nathan.